Which 5-year plan, the minimum needs program, was started in? Answer D. 5th. Which period of the 8 5-year plan was? Answer D. 1992 to 1997. In which country centralized planning was first adopted for the development of the economy? Answer A. Former Soviet Union. The Special Economic Zones Act was passed by the Parliament in the year? Answer B. 2005. Which is the only company in India among the world's 100 companies in the field of information technology? Answer A. Wipro. The uncertainty of farming can be reduced by adopting? Answer C. Hybrid seed used in crop production. The strategy of development and industrialization of industries was a part of which plan? Answer A. Second. When was the Planning and Development Department a separate department opened by the Government of India? Answer A. 1944. What is the subject of economics planning? Answer C. Concurrent list. During which 5-year plan the economics growth rate did not exceed the target? Answer B. Second. Has the minimum support price for agriculture produce been announced? Answer D. Agriculture Cost and Prices Commission. In which 5-year plan shifted its priority from development to defense? Answer D. Fourth. During the time of which 5-year plan, 3 iron steel plants were set up in the country? Answer B. Second. During the time of which 5-year plan period was the Sahayata Club established in India? Answer A. Second. In which city is the Agriculture Cost and Price Commission located? Answer A. New Delhi. Central Bank of our country is? Answer B. Reserve Bank of India. Which period of the 7th 5-year plan was? Answer C. 1985 to 1990. Which of the following 5-year plans did the rate of economic growth exceed its target? Answer D. 8. The highest body approving the 5-year plan is the? Answer C. National Development Council. On which date the National Development Council was constituted? Answer B. 6 August 1952. To whom was the Gyan Prakash Committee related? Answer C. Sugar Scam. Under which 5-year plan was the Khadi and Village Industries Commission established? Answer B. Second. Which part of the maximum outlay was made in the second 5-year plan? Answer B. Transport and communication. Who are the following economics who first supported the concept of rolling plan for developing countries? Answer B. Gunnar Myrdal. The total number of years covered in any 5-year plan since the beginning of the plan in India is? Answer C. 6. In which year was the report of the National Planning Committee published? Answer C. 1949. What is related to the recommendations of the Kelkar Task Force? Answer C. Taxes. Which is the most important item of non-planned expenditure? Answer C. Interest payment. revised value added tax is related to? Answer B. Excise duty. Largest producer of cell phones in the world is a country? Answer A. China. The study of factor pricing is alternatively called the theory of? Answer A. Functional distribution. Price theory is also known as? Answer D. Microeconomics. Excise duty on a commodity is payable with reference to its? Answer B. Production. What is the most essential function of an entrepreneur? Answer B. Risk bearing. Which of the following is a better measurement of economic development? Answer A. NNP. Inflation in India is measured on which of the following index indicators? Answer B. Wholesale price index. According to law of supply, if everything is equal then an increase in price results in dash. Answer B. Increase in quantity supplied. India's first ever National Police Museum will establish in which city? Answer D. Delhi. The Indian economy can be appropriately described as a? Answer B. Mixed economy.